For an example of finding a Taylor polynomial, I would like to take the following polynomial, which is f of x equals x to the fourth minus 5x squared plus 4. I'd like to center it about the point x equals 4. Now I guess rather than saying x equals 4, we could also say a equals 4, as that's what we'll be doing. So to find this Taylor polynomial, I'm going to start by taking several derivatives. And after I take several derivatives, I'm going to be plugging in the value of 4. So this will be 4x cubed minus 10x. Constant term goes away. Another derivative, we'll see 12x squared minus 10. For the third derivative, this will be equal to, looks like we got 24x. For the fourth derivative, we're now down to a constant term, which means that every derivative hereafter is going to be equal to 0. Now for all of these other terms, I'm going to be plugging in x equals 4. So we'll start with the original function. F of 4 is going to be equal to 4 to the fourth power minus 5 times 4 squared plus 4. I suppose now would be a good time to break out a calculator. 4 to the fourth power minus 5 times 4 squared. Go ahead and try this again. 4 to the fourth power minus 5 times 4 squared plus 4. The answer is 180. For f prime of 4, this will be 4 times 4 cubed minus 10 times 4. That'll be 216. For f double prime of 4, that'll be 12 times 4 squared minus 10, which is 182. At least I think it is. Hang on. 12 times 4 squared minus 10. Yeah, 182. Good stuff. For f triple prime of 4, that'll be 24 times 4. That's equal to 96. And for the fourth derivative, evaluated at 4, since it's a constant, that'll just be whatever the constant is equal to. Now for our Taylor polynomial, f of x is supposed to be equal to the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of the nth derivative evaluated at 4 divided by n factorial times x minus 4 raised to the nth power. So in order, this is going to be 180 for the constant term plus 216 divided by 1 factorial times x minus 4 plus 182 divided by 2 factorial times x minus 4 squared plus 96 over 3 factorial times x minus 4 raised to the third power plus 24 divided by 4 factorial times x minus 4 raised to the fourth power. Every term thereafter will be 0. So this is the end of our Taylor polynomial. Then we can proceed to simplify. 1 factorial is equal to 1. Dividing by 1 is, not too bad. 182, 2 factorial is 2. 182 divided by 2 is 91. 3 factorial is 6. 96 divided by 6 is 16. And 4 factorial is 24. 24 over 24, those will cancel each other out. So this would be considered your Taylor polynomial for the function f, centered at x equals 4.